The journey begins at coffee plantations, where ripe cherries are hand-picked to ensure the highest quality.
At the factory, the cherries are pulped to extract the coffee beans from the fruit. The beans are fermented and dried to develop flavor and reduce moisture content. Next, the beans are roasted to bring out their rich aroma and deep flavor. The roasted beans are ground into fine powder, ready for the extraction process. Coffee essence is extracted and concentrated to produce a rich, flavorful liquid. The liquid coffee is dried into instant granules, preserving aroma and flavor for easy use.
The finished instant coffee is now packaged and ready to be shipped worldwide.